So our first bite is called crispy lasagna. Let's get into it. All right. This is crazy. This is like alien lasagna. You're gonna love this. So I have a pasta sheet here. Now, you can do fresh pasta, which is what we have. You can buy this at a lot of grocery stores nowadays. Or you can go buy the dried lasagna sheets and then cook them. Either way, you wanna cook it so it's all the way through, and you sit it flat on your board like this. Then you wanna find some nice schmear. What's a schmear? No one knows what a schmear is? Where am I? The spread, yeah, something to spread, right? So we made a little cheese sauce here, but you can use ricotta, mascarpone cheese, and you kind of just spread this everywhere, right? You just kind of, nice even layer, don't have to like, totally cake it on there. Just kind of all the way to the sides here, and leave a little edge, kind of like a pizza, almost like there's a crust. Right? Isn't this so crazy? This is like so not lasagna. I love it. This would make Shauna very happy. Yes, yes. And then on top of this, we have just a little bit of spinach. Anything green, fresh herbs would be really nice, but you just kind of sprinkle this from up high into the middle here. I would already eat this. I would face plant into this. Yeah, that looks great. And then 2 cheeses. I almost always do the same 2 cheeses. I do mozzarella for the pull. We all love that pull. So, and let's go big with the cheese. I'm not gonna stop until you stop clapping, so clap right now. More? More? Okay, more. I'm done. All right, and then Parmesan, same rule, I'm not stopping until you stop. I always feel like a crazy guy with Parmesan, yeah. Okay, that's it. I love it. All right, so then we have this like disaster. And what you do is you kind of want to roll it. And this is where it gets a little bit tricky, kind of like sushi, but you kind of fold the side over like that. And then you kind of tuck that over, and you tuck that over, and you tuck that over until you make this kind of gnarly pasta burrito. Do you guys see this?
Amazing.
Are you guys into this?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm like, wow, okay. So then you kind of, it does look like a burrito. And then you kind of wrap this up. You hold it like a little baby, a little pasta burrito baby. And if you tried to cut this like this, not gonna happen, right? So you put it in the fridge. I've got one right down here. I've got a couple right down here, right? And this kind of sets up, right? So we have kind of already kind of cold, set pasta burritos. I don't know, that's a new chain we're all gonna start, pasta burrito. And then find your favorite red sauce. This can be store-bought, this could be homemade. Just kind of put it right there. Right? And then you kind of want to just unwrap these puppies. Look how they kind of hold together like that. Isn't that nuts? So this is, I don't know. It is one of those things where it's like when you start cooking, you kind of feel like you have to please everyone. Do you feel like that, Mom?
All the time.
All the time. But I kind of took over-ish.
Thankfully.
Yeah, thank you. All right, so you unroll these guys, and then you cut them into like 3. And I'll show you what it looks like on the inside, but look at this.
Beautiful.
Oh my gosh. Isn't this amazing? It's like a lasagna roll-up. So then you just kind of tuck them into bed, right? Just tuck them in, right? So you just kind of put them in there wherever you want, just kind of nestle them up against each other. I know, this is so different. This looks great. All right, and then top it with a little bit more. Yeah, oh yeah. And then some ricotta. This is a cheese fest. It's lasagna. Let's get some cheese going, right? So you just want to kind of dot this everywhere. It is all over me, and wearing white today was the biggest genius move of my life. And then you just want to douse the whole thing in olive oil. This is gonna make it insanely crispy, delicious. You pop this in the oven, you take it out, and I'm gonna show you right now what it looks like. It's going to be mind-blowing for you guys, but let me see. We can all do the chant again. No more middles. Right? Put that down, a little bit of fresh basil over the top. Just kind of rip it, tear it. I want a little bit more fresh olive oil. I can't get enough of this. And there you have it. No more middle pieces. No more middle pieces.